KULR stock analysis and KULR stock prediction. Is KULR stock a buy right now? Watch this video till the end, find out. This is going to be a deeper dive. I know like maybe you're used to my videos being a freaking 1 minute long. I'm telling you, like, they're packed with value. The most value per minute that you've probably seen with these analysis videos. And I'm coming here to kind of demolish the space, because like I'm the only guy that has done this every single freaking day for the last 4 years, and I've documented everything. I've spent thousands on courses, mentors. Again, everything's been documented. I'm just freaking fed up from these losers, you know, like just they've been doing this for 2 months and they're like turning their comments off because they're scared, you know. No, not here. It's gonna be a very simple approach. First of all, like I know like recently we've been having these like bigger retracements. This might be like an unusual way to approach things, but people who know, I mean, I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands of courses, mentors over the last 4 years, and using common factors analysis. A lot of data collection that I've done, seen why it's working, why it's not, and also spending thousands of courses and mentors. So generally speaking, the hours have been put into work, you know. I've accounted for that. I mean, apparently you must now have like a Patreon to pay people, you know, $50 per month, these expensive courses. For what? You know, for freaking what? Yeah, but overall, like, I'm not going to go into that rant. I just absolutely love how the price has been just putting in these beautiful numbers here. Like, generally speaking, it's a very beautiful bullish trend. And if you have been watching my videos, you will know that for me, it all began, you know, it all began down here. And I'm the only guy, like, since I started talking about this, people are telling me, bro, this was back in October 2024. You can see how freaking excited I started getting, how fired up I get inside. Because look, when I was making videos and like talking about longs on KULR, like nobody knew what KULR was. Like, let's be perfectly honest. The only guy that started making videos then, 29th of October, it was sitting at 28 freaking cents. 28 freaking cents. And when I started talking about long in this crap, notice like where we're right now. At some point it went as high as 1800 freaking percent, 1800%, and throughout the way I've been talking about buying. Now, have I got losses? Yes. And I'm being freaking transparent about them as well. Boom, boom, here too. And they're completely inevitable. Like, they are gonna happen. And anyone that tells you like no losses here, it's all wins, bro, they're just tell them go kick rocks, you know. In the last 2 months, when I really started talking about this, we've gone up as much as 782%. This is how crazy the numbers are, and I've been playing it small here. We're making these 1 minute videos. It's crazy. When you see this like simple approach without all these moving averages, you know, all the freaking trend lines, I'm talking like you are here, like we're not here. Most of the people, like, they're doing this, they're like right here, we're here, you know. I'm talking we're way ahead of curve, because most of these guys that you're watching, like, I'll definitely have to get, but they've, like, you can see when they really started, like, look at their oldest videos or something, like when they really started making these types of videos, and you'll probably just see that, yeah. But I mean, I don't even like have anything, like I don't have like a grudge towards them. It's just the reality, like they're not aware. And what does this mean? I'm gonna get into it in a second. By the way, like, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. I have a free newsletter, you know. That's about it. It's just a free newsletter and you can check it out. I send sauce every single freaking day. You're freaking gonna love it, you know. For example, Janmi, I don't know how to pronounce your name, bro, but it said this made me like 540 last week. And I'm being like, we're talking like in a few months, about 1800%. That's like some life-changing money. And I've been just kind of talking about just taking things up slowly upside here. So as we came inside our demand area, you probably know like, why, yeah, what's demand? You know, it's just a point of interest where previous orders actually held the price down, and until we came back, mitigated it. Okay, we mitigated the demand area. Unless I see a second break above this with a full candle close, there's just no way that I will take things up. Like, say whatever you want. I've really tested this 35,000 videos. And you can check out the videos, you know. You can just search my YouTube channel for KULR. You will see what I'm talking about, like day in and day out. I'm being even transparent about the previous L that I've gotten, but the cause for the effect was just immaculate, you know, and that's also inevitable. We're talking wins here are like at least 5R, and the losses are like -1, you know. So we're just always like ahead of the curve. And I would like, when you really start trading, you know, like now we're probably thinking, yeah, KULR promising, you're saying it's promising, so I might buy it. But this is just my own opinion. It's obviously not financial advice. Again, I'm just sticking to something that I've refined with 35,000 videos. Have to understand, like, when you really get into trading, there's two games as well. You know, you will have the getting inside a trade game, and then you have the managing the trade game. And generally speaking, the managing the trade game is going to be so much more rewarding. Even speaking like this demand area, people are like in a rush. I really would not care much. I mean, even if the price, it's only really going to be something when the price starts breaking beneath this low. And I'm not gonna, you are like an insight on reacting and freaking assuming. I first want to see like what the chart's gonna give me, you know, and then make a decision. And now how like it's 3-step funnel, and they're not working like always. I always say they like working in tandem, but like you have to do the approach, the strategy like one after another, you know, and then you just kind of refine to like up until the point where you can actually are confident and you can just show up and actually observe and actually know what to do. So yeah, ultimately it comes down to that. What happens if you don't break the high? That's why I'm going to keep you updated for sure. But yeah, even if it starts melting down, lower time frame approach is absolutely freaking biased as well. I mean, I'm talking if the price comes down and gives me my rules, there's just nothing going to stop me from actually potentially longing even more. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not going to hold back. So that's how KULR looks like. Again, I've already documented everything. Like, nobody's showing these types of results. Coming back to the higher time frame, what happens if this thing starts crashing out? Like, this is going to be nothing unusual. You know, like, I really started making videos when the price really started moving, you know, even back then in October, and then it began. Then, you know, the freaking horde, all these YouTubers started making these videos, you know, it's gonna come here. You're just like listening to Indian guys. And I'm not even trying to be racist, but like, they're just talking like AI robots, you know, like AI robots are telling you like what to do. Yeah, you definitely have to pick up your game. It's definitely like a skill issue, and skills can be improved. So there's a full candle close, then and only then I will start taking things up. And I'm being patient. I'm not like in a rush. I'm not like forcing any buys or anything. There's all these other ticker symbols that I'm keeping an eye. So stay tuned. And yet again, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, just click the first link in the description. That is that free newsletter. So no freaking $50 Patreons here. 50 is allowed, but people are charging $100 for Patreon, you know? And that will have to be about KULR. I will wrap things up. I mean, if you're interested in any of these other ticker symbols, you can watch the previous videos on my YouTube channel that are also like up when you watch this video. So it's gonna be fire, you know, fire tickers, some fire entries as well. You know, we're talking 1800% increases in price. So like, show me another person on YouTube actually telling this guy for free. I mean, come on. Nobody. So yes, we'll most definitely keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.